the only thing I want for my birthday this year is for this van to cool down. I saw the comments on the video about me melting in the van. We're like, we just put a vent in the roof. Well, no shit. I designed this, I built this in December when it was cold, and I only thought I was gonna be gone for 3 weeks. Also, I am practically in Canada where it's not supposed to be 100 degrees, and today it was 100 degrees. It's an anomaly. This is not normal. But I'm dying, I'm so sweaty, and it's just not cooling down. Okay, so what I did. Now, a lot of people are like, just turn on the generator. That tells me that you're not actually on the road, because you can't just turn on your generator. First of all, even the small inverter generators are loud. If you do that in a Walmart parking lot, especially up north, the Walmarts do not allow overnight parking. So you gotta be a little bit sneaky. Put a generator outside your van, not so sneaky. Campgrounds are all full where I am. Down south, it's like campground heaven. As you go further north, they're fewer and far between, and because I'm surrounded by ritzy New Englanders right now, the only campground that had space was $95 a night. $95 for a spot. The hotels here, I was like, you know what, it's my birthday, fuck it, I'm gonna get a hotel room. $275 and a 2-night minimum. Now, if you're actually on the road, not just in your house making fun of me on YouTube, you can't afford that. It's not realistic. So here is the plan right now, and we'll see. I'll update tomorrow if it works. I pulled into a gas station and I bought 2 big bags of ice because, and we do this during hurricanes. Somebody mentioned in the comment section, I'm gonna try it tonight. But then I cleaned out, there's always a liner in this, don't be gross. I cleaned out the bin of Lay shitter. I'm gonna line it with a garbage bag. I'm gonna put the ice in there, and then I'm gonna take my trusty fan and point it over the ice to try to do some like natural organic cooling. And then while I was checking out for the ice, I said, hey man, do you mind if I turn on my generator and cool down my RV? So I'm parked in this gas station parking lot with the RV or generator going and turning the AC on. And I'm gonna cool it down as much as possible. And then where I am, there's no overnight parking allowed, so I can't leave the generator on and I can't leave the doors open. Fa la la. Happy birthday to me. Well, shit. Good morning. I'll be damned. It kind of worked. Now, the air conditioning thing didn't work. I'm telling you, again, there are very few places that you can actually run a generator, especially in a tiny town, which is where I go. So I ran it as much as I could, and it did get cool in here, but the second you turn it off, if it's in the 80s outside, even late at night, which it was, it doesn't matter. It's just gonna warm right back up in here. But the ice bucket fan thing that I MacGyvered, it did a pretty decent job. Now, it did not get cold in here. Oh, no. But I do think it was just enough to kind of counterbalance the heat that I'm giving off. So, bucket from Lay Shitter that was cleaned out. Leak-proof trash bag. It's early. Leave me alone. It's also my birthday. And so just put the ice in there and then attached the fan. And all that did really was, was blow a cool breeze onto me at night. Which, if you don't have that, you have a hot breeze. which is almost worse. It really is. And so then I took my American flag bandanas and just threw it in here throughout the night and like plastered them on my face, which if I didn't make it through the night, they would have found my body and it would have looked like a very patriotic suicide. It would have looked really weird. But I made it, and now I'm a year older. Yay! So between the two of these, I went to bed at like 12:30, and then at 7 I got up, and at 7 it was hot in here again. The ice level had gone down, and so it was just that warm breeze, but at 7 I'm ready to get up anyway, so it's fine. So now I've got the back doors open to get some breeze in, and the side doors open. One of the comments that was made about this was, oh, it's gonna change the humidity level and maybe you'll get mold under your mattress. The second you open up any of these doors, you change the humidity level, so I would not worry about that too much. I went back and read some of the comments from the video about me melting, and yes, I'm aware that a rooftop fan would be a good idea. And, you know, again, I did not think I would be out here this long. And I'm sharing these videos not to give you an opportunity to mock me, but to help other people who are maybe building their vans at different times of the year, and you're just not thinking about all 4 seasons sometimes. And you know, a lot of us don't know how long we'll be doing this for. So you do the best you can, and you share your mistakes so that others don't make the same ones. That's called good community. All right, so I'm going to drink my nasty coffee and go enjoy my birthday. There'll be a little bit of a delay posting this because we've got some other stuff ahead of it, but if you're in a bind, a $5 bag of ice, your lace shitter and a fan, it'll get you through the night. And after today, it's supposed to be back in the 60s. Thank you, Jesus. Happy birthday to me. I'll see y'all later.